This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Sara Steorts. Are you ready for a new home? Check out this one owner, 2-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a spacious rolling green lawn. This cozy home has beautiful hardwood and tile floors, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, updated kitchen and bathrooms. Huge deck and covered porch for outdoor living and entertaining or just to enjoy your morning coffee. New HVAC and hot water tank. Full unfinished basement with an outside door for storage or numerous possibilities. This home will go fast. For more information, review the details below or contact Sara Steorts at 304-201-7653.